traveling back from the house, and in my rearview mirror I looked and I saw Damien flip over on the freeway. And when I say that I was horrified, and all I could imagine was that he was going to be hurt or dead, but he was not. He walked out of this, he got out of this truck. Oh my God. Oh my God. God is so good. God is so good. God is so good. I cannot tell you right now how overwhelmed I am with emotion. He had a blowout, and everybody that looked at this tire say, why did this tire blow out? The tire is good. He must have ran over something that caused it to blow out. And look at this freeway. Look at this freeway. This man had a blowout on this freeway, and he walked away from it. All I can say is thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. You are so merciful.